Hi, this is Cheryl back with you from Farmhouse Frugally. So today I am flipping a pair of chairs. They're absolutely lovely. They were in the dump. My friend who lives in the same town picked them up and offered them to me. So I have decided to flip them. Now we have some phenomenal dump hauls at our local dump where we can take or leave anything on the good table area, which means that I do a lot of trash to treasure. I have a couple of playlists, check them out. Also, a lot of furniture flips and a lot of craft type items. So if that's something that you like, I hope that you will stick around and hit the subscribe button. Now, the reason we started with these chairs is because we're redoing our church nursery, which is absolutely worse for wear. I mean, pink carpet. This has got to be 25 or 30 years since anyone's really touched it. Took a massive unit off of the wall. My husband and I have been in and out of that nursery for the last 6 weeks. There are still animal stickers and a terrible bathroom. So he and I have decided to do an entire remodel on this church nursery. So you will see a really beautiful video of that coming soon. But today we are focusing on these chairs. So it's a pair of identical chairs in hunter green. I am actually a fan of the green. I really do like it, but it had some broken spindles. It was scratched. It was cracked, so it needed love. So we started by, of course, gluing and clamping. Whatever had to be fixed got fixed first, and then took the sandpaper and just lightly sanded, mostly to get any polyurethane off of the seat, and then started with Rust-Oleum paint, chalk paint in charcoal, and then mixed that with Rust-Oleum linen white to get a beautiful blue-gray that I absolutely love. It looks gorgeous here with my dining room. For two reasons. I am using the color scheme similar to my home in the nursery, and also if they come back, if we finally get some rocking chairs in the nursery, they will probably come back to me, and I love the way they look here. So I did, of course, have to paint the second chair as well as the first chair, but here you are getting a look of just how different they are in the color tone, and already I think that blue-gray makes an updated statement to them. Now, once they were finished, I had to go and sand the seat on the second one and wait for, clean that off and everything, and then wait for the paint to cure. And then I took the white wax, and that is also Rust-Oleum, I believe, and I waxed everything that was in the gray blue completely. You can see the difference in color tone here. And then took a rag and wiped back all of that wax so that it would smooth out and protect the paint, but also stay in those crevices, which I just love that look. After completely sanding and cleaning the chair bottoms, I started with the Waverly wax, the antiquing wax color, and some warm water to make more of a stain. And I stained the bottom and did not think that it was dark enough for the feel that I was going for after I wiped that back with a rag. But you can see here, it's obviously better than the other one, but I decided to go straight up with that antiquing wax, and I just brushed that on, let it sit for a minute or two, and then just wiped that back, and that gave me a fuller coverage. Still a little wet here, but you can see the idea. I just like that contrast with that blue-gray, and I do think that color combination is just absolutely lovely. You'll have to let me know if you like that color or if you preferred the green. Now, once that was completely dry and cured, I did take out the polyacrylic by Minwax. I wanted the seats to be very well protected because, of course, they'll get a fair amount of use. And so that took, I believe, 3 coats on the bottom of that. And then that was it. Finished, of course, waxing the second chair. Now, once that was done, I just displayed it in my home, but you will see it in the nursery if you are subscribed to my channel. So here is a look on how that came out. And so I think it's very sweet. Now, speaking of sweet, I am hoping that you are going to show me some love and share this with at least one friend. I'm getting so close to my goal of 1,000 subscribers, which of course I could not do without you. I so appreciate you being here with me and your words of encouragement. And I will be doing a wonderful giveaway once I hit 1,000. So please do what you can to help me get there. And I thank you for stopping by. I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned for a gorgeous spring vintage one. Take care.